The number of men and women delegates in the conference is 80. Which of the following could be the ratio of men to women? Okay, so para sagutan natin ito, ang total natin ay 80. So ang gagawin lang natin dito, itong 80, kailangan divisible siya sa sum ng bawat ng mga ratio na ito. So alin dito sa mga choices natin ang makakapag-divide sa 80? Ibig sabihin walang remainder pag dinivide yung 80. Okay? So i-add lang natin isa-isa ito. So i-add natin isa-isa ang mga ratio natin. 7 plus 4, we have 11. 7 plus 9 is 16. 8 plus 9, we have 17. 4 plus 5 is 9. 5 plus 6 is 11. So alin sa mga choices natin ang makakapag-divide sa 80 nang walang remainder? So obviously 80 is not divisible by 11. 88 at 77 ang makakapag-divide sa 11. 16, so this is divisible. 16 can divide 80 because 80 is equal to 8 or 16 times 5. 16 times 5 is 80. So the answer to this is letter B. 17, 80 is not divisible by 17. 80 is not divisible by 9 and 80 not divisible by 11. So only 7 is to 9 can give an answer of integer when we divide 80. So therefore, the correct answer is 7 is to 9. If we want to solve the numbers of men to women, so let's try if the ratio is 7 is to 9. So let's just prove that the answer is integer or exact number without a decimal. So if we add this, so the formula in solving the men and women is 7. Let's say the variable is x plus the other number here, 9x, is equal to 80. So add this, we have 16x is equal to 80. Divide both sides by 16. Therefore, the value of x is 80 divided by 16. We have 5. Therefore, the number of men to women is 7 times 5. That is equal to 35. And then we have 9 times 5 is equal to 45. If we add this, 35 plus 45, that is equal to 80, which is the given total number of men and women. If we try using the other ratio, we will not get an integer solution. Just like in letter B, the value of x is 5. So therefore, the only possible ratio for a total of 80 is letter B, 7 is to 9. Follow for more.